Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. As you see in the thumbnail, let's go to the form layout. This is my change form. Just right click, configure, go to form layout. So at the bottom after these black and green fields, you know what are black and green fields? These are the direct fields and this green is the related table to this change form. Okay, and at the bottom in the red color, you always wonder what are these red things. So my dear friends, these all are the list which you can embed in your form. Like you have the related list, in the same way we have these lists which you can embed in the form. Let's say I want to embed affected CIs. It means all the affected CIs which are related to this change. So let's move it here. Let's keep this at the bottom. Click on save. So if you see here, the list is now embedded in your form. Wherever you think this list fits, you can embed that list right away. So it is the same as the related list, but the option is given to you to embed this on the form directly. And whenever you add a new thing here, it will be saved along with the form. Okay, you need not to go here and then click on add and then again go back to the slush bucket and save it. If you want to reduce your manual effort, you can say you can use this embedding list into form from the form layout. So if you save this, the data is now saved properly along with the change request. So for the user who is using this form one or two times, it does not have great impact. But the people from service techs who are dealing with hundreds of change requests on daily basis, they can be benefited by this option, because this directly reduce a lot of manual effort. When you click on add, go to next form and add it, save it, come back here. So in that purpose, this embedding option will be a best one. And one more thing, whatever list you embed here, you cannot add that list in the related list. Okay friends, this is it. Now you understand why in the form layout we see red items, what are they called, and what is the use of those items. See you in next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Bye bye.